The MA in Biblical Mission and Wellness
The MA in Biblical Missions and Wellness program
is actually just that. It is a wonderful way to learn how to do missions the way the Bible teaches. And that is utilizing Christ's methods that he used to teach the apostles and the apostles used to teach others, particularly centering on what biblical missions were about, and that is teaching, healing, and proclaiming.
The program is designed to actually be very, not just theoretical, but also practical.
it will provide hands-on training.
You will actually see in real time people helping in real ways, and you'll engage in that so that when you leave this program, you're actually ready to hit the ground running.
There isn't any program that I know of that's like this unique development.
Well, there's never been a master's program that centers in on revitalizing and planting churches using Christ's threefold ministry. That means medical missionary work. The pastor actually should be one of the leaders, if not the leader, in that work. And so should the person coming out of this master's program. An expert in teaching and also discipling, using Christ's methods.
In this program, I'll be focusing mostly on the depression and anxiety recovery aspect of the program.
I will be teaching on the aspect of how students can learn to be effective appealers.
I'll be teaching mission.
I'll be teaching lifestyle treatments of disease.
The person who graduates this program will be sought out actually by church leaders, conference administrators, and others, because what's going to happen is they'll see that they already actually, as they went to school, were having results.
Most of the master's is practical training. There's 9 months of didactic training, and then the rest of the 15 months is actually practical training.
The second half of the program is going to be internship.
The difference between educating and training is that training actually makes it practical. Education may just be theoretical. And so, while theory may be important, the practical aspect, the hands-on, the ability to know how to utilize it is important to us.
And we actually have mentors, qualified, highly qualified mentors, people with experience in church growth, in church planting, who will be working with them for about 14 months as they attempt to revitalize the church and plant a new one.
There actually are conferences that are lining up right now and actually opening up districts that can be revived, or actually church planting opportunities that is actually a part of the program. And so you actually will be meeting potential congregations you would work with for some time, or potential conference presidents or conferences, and you'll be doing internships in those various localities.
And we do believe if somebody is passionate about this church and the mission that we have to proclaim the three angels message, then that person should apply actually and join Weimar in this mission.
This master's program is going to turn people into experts in revitalizing churches and planting new churches around the world.
I'm Dr. Phodidas.
I'm Dr. Louis Torres.
I'm Dr. Neil Nedley.
I'm Don Mackintosh, and why don't you help finish tomorrow's work today?